I've changed so much. I don't even think you will recognize me. Or even Krillin, for that matter. Gotta make sure I go unnoticed at the tournament. Ah! No.
Huh?
I see. Hey there! I can't believe it! Hi. Right. What?
Huh?
Yeah. Thank you very much. All right. Gotta make sure Vegeta's in the loop as well. Let's get rid of this rampaging robot. All right. There we go. I can't believe it! Hi. Okay. Okay.
I'm afraid I'm no longer fit.
I'm sure you could still put on a good show for everyone.
Hey.
Let's see. I'm not forgetting anything. I need to... Let's see. Yeah, I should be good to go. Oh, there they are.
Hey, Gohan! Took your sweet time, didn't you?
Sorry about that. Man, this place sure is packed, huh?
Yeah, no kidding. Pretty annoying, huh?
It's Mr. Satan! Look! Mr. Satan's here! Mr. Satan, huh? Looks like Earth's heroes has shown up at last.
Hello to all my adoring fans around the world! Are you ready?
Mr. Satan! Mr. Satan! Mr. Satan!
He sure is popular, huh?
It's Mr. Piccolo!
Piccolo, have you seen my dad anywhere?
No, no sign of him yet. Gohan, I have to ask, are you really going to wear that?
What could be taking Goku so long? Maybe he's already in the waiting room.
Hey, guys!
The evil wizard Babidi's machinations.
Goku!
Hey! Wow, you guys sure have changed a bunch. How have you all been?
Goku!
It's good to have you back.
Goku!
Goku! Goku!
Dad!
Huh?
Look, Goten, it's your father!
Whoa! That's my son? Wow, he looks just like me!
What's wrong, Goten? There's no need to be shy.
His name's Goten, huh? I like it!
You've got 24 hours. That's it.
Thanks, fortune teller Baba!
Well, this is as far as we can go. break a leg out there, guys.
Thanks. We'll catch up with you later. See ya!
Hey, Goten, wanna do some exploring around this place?
Yeah, that sounds like fun. Let's go.
All right, let's go check out what's going on over there.
Wait for me, Trunks. Look at all this stuff! This is cool! Where's Trunks?
Huh? Hey!
Hey, Goten, check it out! Look at all the places we can buy stuff!
Yeah, we should buy our mom something.
Good idea. Let's check out what they've got here and then figure out what to get them.
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa, what's that?
Hey, wait up!
Huh?
Hey,
Yeah, it's...
you were definitely Goku's kid. You guys have got the same plucky attitude. Anyway, I guess you'll be okay.
Hey, Squirt! Cool outfit.
But I do know I'm gonna cheer my dad and brother on.
Wow, that's awesome. Hopefully they'll...
Mr. Satan? Who's that?
What? You're telling me you don't know Mr. Satan?
Never heard of him.
I could tell you hold your family in high regard, Sonny. Very touching. Right. Here you go, kid. A little...
Whoa, thanks, mister! Hello there! Yeah! Hello there! Hi there!
Hey,
My name is Goten.
I'm a big fan of the World Tournament. Goten, huh? You know, that sounds an awful lot like Goku, the kid who won the 23rd World.
Yeah!
I knew it! His fight against the reincarnation of Demon King Piccolo was... The arena got leveled, so I hightailed it out of there.
He died. But now he's gonna...
Huh? You mean he's here in spirit or something?
Nope, he's really here and he's gonna fight. Bye-bye!
Okay.
seat?
Hey! Hey!
Man, I wish we could fight everyone too.
Yeah, but we wouldn't be able to beat my brother or Vegeta.
But I bet we'll totally be able to beat them when we're older. Let's check that out over there. Uh-oh, I think our moms might be looking for us.
They're not gonna let us buy anything if they're angry at us.
I know. We'll say you got lost and that I was looking for you. Yeah, that should work.
What? I'm the one that got lost.
That's how it's gotta be. It'll be more believable for me to look for you since I'm older. All right, peace.
Hey, that's not fair, Trunks.
There you are, Goten! I found you!
Yeah, sorry. I got separated.
Oh, really? Don't you mean you were both wandering around?
What? How'd you know?
Goten, you just gave us away!
That's what I thought, Goten. It's rude to lie to people. That's right, Trunks. You're older and you should know better than this.
We're sorry.
All right, that's enough of that. Let's head to the arena. Right. If we don't hurry, there won't be any seats left. You ready, Goten?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Well, guess we better get going to the arena.
No more dilly-dallying. You head straight to the arena, you hear me? You know, it's dangerous to wander off by yourself.
The matches are gonna start soon. We should all head inside.
Jeez! Look at all these people! Attention all World Tournament participants! We will soon begin the selection process! It looks like this is the biggest turnout we've had in years! But only the best 16 of you will have a chance to compete! Since the returning champion, Mr. Satan, will automatically be allowed to compete, that means only 15 of you will be advancing. Let's find out who that'll be. To keep things fair, we'll be testing everyone's strength with this punching machine. Those with the 15 highest scores will be selected to fight in the tournament.
Punching machine? What the heck is that?
Let's see if any of you have what it takes to beat our champion, Mr. Satan's high score. We're We're expecting some great scores! Now, let's begin the World Tournament Selection Round!
Good thing we did all that training and made it through, huh?
Not like there was any worry there. Hmm?
Greetings. You must be Goku.
Huh? How do you know who I am?
I've heard of you before. May I shake your hand?
Sure. Nice to meet you.
Just as I'd heard, you have a good spirit.
Huh?
Now, if you'll excuse me.
What? Who the hell was that?
I'm not sure, but, you know, I'm starting to get the feeling that this tournament's not going to be a walk in the park after all. Everybody here looks like a pushover except those two. What's with those guys? They look kind of weird. Like they're more powerful than they should be.
So the World Tournament was finally underway. Most of the Z warriors were spread out across the matches. However, Goku and Vegeta were fatefully paired against each other for the 6th match of the first round. Krillin set the tone for the tournament by making short work of his opponent in the first match. In the second match, Piccolo found himself standing before the enigmatic Shin. However...
What is this? What is going on? Why am I having such a hard time with this guy? This isn't right. Who the hell is he?
You'll find that out soon enough. Let's just enjoy the game for now.
Count me out. I forfeit.
Huh? You forfeit? You're not going to fight anymore?
That's right.
I see. So he's the former guardian of this planet. Perhaps he's realized who I am then.
Well, let's keep things rolling! Time for our third match! Next, it's Videl versus Spopovich!
Correct me if I'm wrong, but, you're not,
Not what exactly?
You're not the Grand Kai, are you?
No, I am not.
He's the Supreme Kai.
The Supreme Kai?
Please keep that to yourself for now. I don't want others to know just yet.
So, you're even higher than the Grand Kai, who's above the 4 Kais. I mean, I'd heard about gods above the Kais before, but I didn't know they actually existed.
Hey, Piccolo! Something wrong? Don't tell me that guy's already talking trash. You want me to have a word with him?
No, don't! No, keep your mouth shut. Do not say anything, you hear me?
Huh?
Meanwhile, Videl was trading blows with the muscle-bound Spopovich in the 3rd match. Though Videl was a much more capable fighter, she was quickly overpowered by Spopovich's abnormal strength.
I can't quite put my finger on it, but there's something seriously off about that guy. Like he's not using his own power.
That monster! You gave it your best!
tap out! Just throw in the towel, Videl!
No. Wait. I'm not giving up.
That's it. I've had enough. That jerk's going down.
Hey, now! Okay, come on, take it easy, Gohan! No!
That's enough, Spopovich. You've had your fun. We came here for something far more important than this. Hurry up and win the match. Yeah, okay.
Ring out! Spopovich wins the match!
Videl!
Spopovich! You're not gonna get away with this. You hear me?
Should I call for a stretcher?
No, I'll carry her myself.
Beat that guy's head in for me.
You got it. If I win my next match, I'll be up against him in the fight after that.
Gohan, I've got some senzu beans.
Thank goodness. Videl, you're gonna have to trust me on this. But could you eat this bean?
Anything from you. Probably has some mysterious power behind it, right?
Yeah. You should be fine now. But it'd be best for you to take it easy for a while here.
Thank you, Gohan.
Gotta go. Everyone's waiting.
I'm all better! Good luck out there, Gohan!
Gohan found himself facing the mysterious Kibito in the fourth match.
Transform into that Super Saiyan form of yours. I want to see if you truly have what it takes to help our cause.
Huh? How do you know about Super Saiyans? And what do you mean, help our cause?
You will find out soon enough. First, I want to see the power of a Super Saiyan.
Are you kidding? I can't just transform into a Super Saiyan in front of everyone.
I can't hear what they're talking about.
He told Gohan to transform into a Super Saiyan.
Gohan!
Piccolo!
What's up, Piccolo? You know what's going on?
I'm not sure, but...
Our apologies, but Gohan will be assisting us with something for the time being. All of you must promise that you will not get involved, no matter what happens. I trust I can count on you.
What?
What do you mean?
You honestly think we're just going to do whatever you say? Tell us who you are!
He's, the Supreme Kai. He rules over all the Kais. He's a god.
Oh yeah, that's right. King Kai told me about you. So you're the Supreme Kai. Huh.
All right, I'll transform into a Super Saiyan. Not sure why you'd want me to, though. Why don't I take it one step further and transform into something beyond a Super Saiyan? Take it to the next level.
What? Beyond the Super Saiyan? This energy's incredible. That's our guy.
He transformed! Gohan transformed! You've got to be kidding me!
We're taking that energy. Make sure he doesn't try to escape, Spopovich. Right!
There! Ha!
Who are you?
That's it! We've got enough energy now. Let's do it!
Wait! Don't move! Not yet! He'll be fine. Kibito will restore his strength shortly. I intend to follow those two and learn where they're taking Gohan's energy. If you wish to join me, you are more than welcome to do so. I could use your help.
So, what are you gonna do, Goku?
I'm gonna go with him. You heard him, didn't you, Krillin? He could really use our help in this. Besides, I have to know what this is all about.
Then I guess I'll go too.
I don't think so, Kakaroto. Did you forget about your match with me?
Come on! This isn't the time for that, okay, Vegeta?
Don't blow me off! The actions of that supreme whatever aren't my concern in the slightest. All I care about is settling the score with you once and for all. That's the whole reason I joined this stupid tournament in the first place.
I hear ya, I hear ya. It doesn't have to be here, but we'll fight later, I promise, all right?
Idiot! You're only back from Otherworld for one day, remember?
Hey, you should come to Otherworld with me. We can fight there.
Let's go.
Tell me, can I really trust you with Gohan?
He'll be fine. After I finish healing him, I will be joining you. I'm sure he'll follow soon thereafter.
Damn it.
Wait up!
So you've decided to come then? Thank you. I don't think we have much of a chance without your help.
Much of a chance? You mean against those two guys?
No, not those two. They're merely pawns. At the beck and call of an evil wizard.
A wizard?
Yes. Right around the time mankind began to walk upright here on Earth, an evil wizard named Babidi lived in a distant corner of the universe. One day, Babidi happened to create a terrifyingly powerful monster. That monster was Boo, an untenable and fearsome Majin. In a few short years, hundreds of once vibrant planets were reduced to nothing but ashes. Majin Buu's power was so great that even his creator struggled to control him. Babidi had no other recourse but to temporarily seal Majin Buu away. I was able to use that chance to defeat Babidi. However, I failed to realize that Babidi had a child. his son Babidi, who was filled with just as much evil as his father.
There. You're healed, Gohan.
Wow, I feel great.
Come with me. I will tell you everything.
Can I come too? There's so much I want to know. Please?
Can you just promise me you'll run if things get dangerous?
Sure.
All right then, let's go. Majin Buu, huh? Wow. Okay. So, then what were those Spopovich and Yamu guys doing at the tournament?
In order to break the long-held seal on Majin Buu, a large, pure energy source is needed. Those two were sent to the tournament to gather that energy. We won't be able to reach the others at this rate. We need to increase our speed.
I can't fly any faster than this!
Okay, you'd better head back then. Things are far worse than I feared.
Guess I'm gonna have to, huh? That's too bad. But I think I finally learned something. It wasn't my dad that beat Cell back then. It was you guys, right?
Well,
I knew it. I thought something was off when I heard my dad beat him. That clears things up. Good luck, Gohan. Pulverize that wizard Babidi and save the world.
right.
Don't die on me, Gohan. I want to go on a date with you when you get back.
Are you done? We need to hurry after the Supreme Kai.
Right. Sorry about that. I wonder what this Babidi guy's like. Okay, let's go meet up with my dad and the others.
Yeah! Ha!
This is great! Look at all this energy! Huh?
Afraid not.
What?
No.
What?
What? Hi.
Afraid not.
Right.
Here I go!
This ends now!
Here I go! Here I go!
This ends now! Big on!
What?
Right. Now that that's out of the way, let's get back on Spopovich's trail.
Yes. Yes.
The Supreme Kai and I...
That might be going a little too far, I'm afraid.
What a find! This mango looks extra sweet. Ooh, this ought to be good. This will be a cinch. This will be a cinch. This is all right. I'll fight you. You backing down already? All right. All right. You don't see stuff of this quality every day. All right. You don't see stuff of this quality every day. This looks like some quality meat. This village looks like it's fallen on hard times. I'm starting to get hungry. All right.
Oh?
Ooh, this... Huh-ya! This is incredible. It's giving off a ton of energy. Ooh, this ought to be good.
What? Huh?
No.
Indeed.
What?
Yes.
All right.
Oh my.
Right.
Indeed.
Hi. Better get going and find that...
Can I count on you?
The size of West City still surprises. Better get going and find that crop. I wonder if Bulma's home.
Hey. Yeah.
Right!
Hey,
Hey, this looks like some high-grade stuff.
All right! Heya! All right!
Right, time to prove myself.
Yeah!
All right, looking good. Check it out.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
All right, looking good. Check it out.
Yeah!
All right, looking good. Check it out.
Woohoo! Yeah! 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 Woohoo! Yeah!
All right, looking good. Check it out.
Yeah!
All right, that was fun.
Great!
hey, yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. What?
Right! Right!
Thank you.
No.
Hi!
Excuse me. Whoa! What do you think?
Right.
All right.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Oh my.
No. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah! All's well that ends well.
Good day.
All right. All right. Ooh, this ought to be good. This is great. Look at all of this energy. This is incredible. It's giving off a ton of energy. All right. This'll be a cinch. This'll be all right. Let's see if I've still got it.
Here I go!
Now this is beyond the level of Super Saiyan.
No. No.
You're weak! There's no...
Not as tough as I thought you'd be.
Someone's down there. Do you think it might be that Babidi guy?
No, that's not Babidi.
Someone's coming out.
Dabura, curse that Babidi. He's made the king of the demon realm nothing but his servant.
Huh? Dabura? Which one's that? The big guy?
Yes.
Wait, so that means the little one over there is the wizard Babidi?
Correct. What he lacks in physical strength, he more than makes up for with his terrifying magic.
Babidi's greatest technique is his ability to latch on to the evil in one's heart and use it to bend the victim to his will. For this reason, only those such as ourselves, free from evil in our hearts, will be able to fight him.
Oh my, this is completely full of energy. Well done, you two. This brings us closer to reviving Majin Buu. And it also means I have no more use for you. Pui Pui. Yes, sir. Well, my dear Dabura, it seems that Yamu and his friends have brought us some visitors, just as I calculated. And with them, that infernal Supreme Kai who murdered my father long ago.
Assuming we can't make use of the energy from the Supreme Kai and Kibito, 3 of the others appear to have more than enough energy for our needs.
Once you eradicate the others, Dabura, I want you to then lure those 3 into the ship. That will afford us a much greater chance of absorbing their energy.
Indeed.
One more thing. Do not kill the Supreme Kai. I will personally see to it he receives a slow and painful death later.
As you wish, Lord Babidi.
Do not let me down.
Sir. Now then, it's time.
Kibito!
No!
What the?
Oh no! Don't touch them! They've both been turned to stone. They can't be restored unless Dabura is killed.
Oh, is that all we have to do? Well, that seems simple enough.
Leave this place! You will never be able to stop Lord Babidi.
Let's go!
Where are you going?
Come on, Dad. Let's make short work of this guy and save Piccolo and Krillin.
Now you're talking.
All right.
This ought to be good. Look at how juicy this mango is. This'll be a cinch.
Are you ready to die? Here I go!
You should train some more. Whoa, what is this place? Well, this is an awfully plain room.
Be on your guard. We don't know what kind of traps they have in store for us. Now that I think about it, it's rather strange that you three weren't attacked at all.
My apologies, but we're not the sit around and do nothing types.
Lord Babidi is on the lowermost floor of this ship. Unfortunately, if you want to go down any further, you're going to have to go through me. So, in other words, this is where you all die.
Yeah, I wouldn't be so sure of that.
So, who goes first?
I think rock, paper, scissors would be fair.
Fine.
All right, guys, here goes.
Rock, paper, scissors!
Rock, paper, scissors! Man.
Good! Looks like I'm up first.
Are you really going to fight him alone?
Of course! I'm more than enough for this worm.
You're dumber than you look, you know that? Like I said before, you guys aren't getting past this floor. Any damage you take here will be converted into energy and absorbed by this room. And then sent directly to the ball that Majin Buu sealed inside.
That's good to hear. Does that mean if I blow you to pieces right now, no energy will be absorbed?
That's right. But unfortunately for you, that's not gonna happen.
Enough talking. Let's hurry up and get this over with. Come at me!
Oh dear, I can't have you damaging my ship.
Hey, what the? Whoa, what just happened? Where are we?
Babidi used his magic to change the room, most likely to a place that benefits his henchmen.
So what? I'm going to end this quickly.
I was just about to say that myself. Hyper shot! Hyper shot! Left here is 10 times stronger than Earth's. This is where I was born and raised.
Yeah, what's your point? Gravity 10 times stronger than Earth's is nothing.
Hyper shot! Believe it! Hyper shot! Hyper shot! Believe it!
Prepare yourself!
Hyper shot! Hyper shot!
Believe it! Gave us the easy one first. Believe it! Damn that Babidi. Doesn't he have goons stronger than this?
Huh? Hey, check it out! A hole opened up in the floor. It looks like some sort of elevator.
How did you do that?
Hey, what gives? This room looks just like the last one. Whoa! This guy looks pretty slow.
That's Yakon! Demon Beast Yakon!
In the interest of time, I'll transport you to your beloved home world of Darkstar and its pitch-black environment. Make sure to retrieve plenty of energy for me.
Now which one of you should I eat first?
You're up against me.
My first course!
Rock, paper, scissors! It's my turn now! You think I'm gonna go down that easy? Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Try this! Here goes! Try this! This! Here goes! Rock, paper, scissors! Whoa!
I'll cut you to pieces!
Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Try this!
That's a little more serious. It may be pitch black, but we can still follow your movements. Things like changes in airflow give you away.
Whoa!
Whew!
If this is what they're throwing at us, then this Majin Buu creature must be a real weakling.
What in the world are these people?
I know what to do now. I shall handle these intruders myself. And in doing so, I should be able to retrieve more than enough energy for Majin Buu.
But Dabura, if I lose you, then I'll have no further defense against them. Do you actually stand a chance?
Stand a chance? Ha ha ha! I am Dabura, king of the demon realm. No one in this universe has the power to defeat me.
Dabura!
I must admit, I'm impressed mortals like you were able to defeat Yakan. I must commend you for such an achievement. But this is as far as you will go. I will be your next opponent.
Majin revival imminent.
If Babidi is already resorting to dispatching his right-hand man, he must be getting quite desperate.
That's quite enough of your useless chatter. Now, come at me, all of you!
Wait a second. It's my turn to fight next. Come at me.
What did you say? How dare you mock me? Lord Babidi, please transport us to a more suitable location. I must show this mortal my power.
Very well. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa!
All right. Time to make short work of this guy and save Piccolo and Krillin. This'll be a cinch. I can't let Dad see how much weaker I've gotten.
Gohan, don't you think you're trying a little too hard?
Prepare to witness the power of the King of the Demon Realm. You will regret underestimating my power.
Let's do this.
Here I go!
Now this is beyond the level of Super Saiyan. You've definitely seen what you're above the others.
I take issue with you comparing me to such scum.
Wouldn't dilly-dally so much if I were you.
You mock me at your own peril.
Surprisingly strong.
Crap! This guy's a lot tougher than I originally thought.
Still, Gohan shouldn't be having this much trouble. He's gotten weak. He was much stronger than this when he was a child.
Yeah, I guess he really has been slacking off on his training.
I'm starting to get pissed.
As Gohan continued his fierce battle with Dabura, Videl made her way back to the World Tournament arena.
Videl! Oh, Goten! What are you doing here?
Oh, Trunks said we should try to go find the others. My dad and everyone else are off doing something cool. It's not fair.
You know, it's not like they went off to have fun. Okay, fine. I guess I'll clue you both in on what's happening. So, that's what's going on.
Wizard? Majin? Whoa! Did you hear that, Goten? Yeah, that's so cool! Right?
Huh? They're over that way, right? Wait a second! You two aren't actually going to...
Hurry! If we aren't quick, our dads are gonna beat all the bad guys!
No way! I want to see that Majin Buu guy!
Let's go!
Woohoo! Come on!
Meanwhile, the violent confrontation between Gohan and Dabura raged on.
Damn, this is taking too long. I'm going to end this right here, right now.
Hang on a second, Vegeta. Give Gohan a chance. It's not like he's getting his butt kicked or anything.
I've had more than enough of these games. I want to get this done and over with so I can finally settle things with you. That's the whole reason I joined that stupid tournament to begin with.
Lord Babidi, I've just made the most amazing discovery.
Majin Buu will be revived in no time at all.
Hey! You're not running away, are you?
Running away? No. I no longer have a need to fight, for I've found a much more suitable opponent.
What did you say?
What is this discovery of yours, Dabura?
Among those four, one of them possesses a great deal of evil in his heart. With a heart that evil, we can most certainly turn him to our side.
Oh, I see. We can cause them to fight among themselves and reap the resulting energy. That should be more than enough to revive Majin Buu.
What did he just say?
I'm not entirely sure. But it sounds like he's found someone better to fight me.
Found someone? I wonder, what do you mean by found?
Your body and mind are mine now.
He's actually doing it! Vegeta! Babidi's using the evil in your heart to control you. Clear your mind. Remove all evil thoughts from your head.
Shut the hell up! I don't need you to tell me what to do!
Yes, yes, that's it. You belong to me now. While I have control of you, allow me to push your power past its limits.
Vegeta! No! Don't let that monster take control of you!
Vegeta!
It's too late!
Yes, yes, very good. Let's give you a more interesting place to fight. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa!
Hey!
This is the World Tournament Arena.
Who are those guys? They just appeared out of nowhere.
Right then. Now, what was your name again? Ah, yes, Vegeta. Fight all of those cretins with everything you have. I want their energy.
Shut up! I only want to fight Kakaroto! I don't care about anyone or anything else!
What's going on here? How is this buffoon still not completely under my control? This is a first. Oh well, I suppose it doesn't matter.
No! What are you doing?
Vegeta! Now, fight me, Kakaroto! That is, unless you want me to add more bodies to the growing pile.
No! Goku, don't do it! If you fight here, you'll be playing right into Babidi's hands. Your energy will be absorbed, and Majin Buu will be revived.
Vegeta, I can't believe this. You let Babidi take control of your mind on purpose, just so I'd fight you with everything I got. That right?
Are you serious? This is the only way I could get you to fight me! You're only here in this world for a single day. And now we're being dragged into this waste of time and energy.
You mean... you're doing all of this for such a petty reason?
A petty reason? How dare you! This means everything to me! I don't give a damn about Majin Buu! This bastard continues to leave me in the dust every single opportunity! He has surpassed me, a fellow Saiyan! Me! The once mighty, the once proud Prince of the Saiyans! I've even had my life saved by this buffoon! You will never forgive him for that! Not ever!
Babidi! Take us somewhere with no other people around! I'm about to go head-to-head with Vegeta!
Don't do it! If you absolutely must fight him, then you will have to go through me first. Dad! I understand. Have it your way.
I'm sorry.
As you wish, I'll transport you somewhere else. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa!
You two fight to your heart's content. Gohan and I will break through this entrance and confront Babidi and Dabura head-on. We may risk causing Majin Buu to be revived in the process. But anything's better than him absorbing energy from you two and reaching full power. With any luck, we may be able to prevent Majin Buu from being revived at all.
I don't think so. Vegeta, stop them! Eradicate all those that stand in my way! Do it! Obey your master!
I refuse! The Supreme Kai can do whatever the hell he wants, as long as I get to fight Kakaroto!
What? I command you one more time! Obey me! Kill the Supreme Kai! Do it, Vegeta!
I've already told you! All I care about is settling the score with Kakaroto! Who do you think you're talking to? I am the proud Prince of Saiyans! I absolutely refuse to take orders from a little worm like you! You may have taken my mind and my body, but there's one thing a Saiyan always keeps, his pride!
Unbelievable! I didn't think there were any mortals that could resist Babidi's mind control.
I see. So that's how badly you wanted to fight me. Vegeta!
This has never happened before. His pride is unlike anything I've ever seen.
His disobedience is of no concern to us, Lord Babidi. After all, his sole purpose is merely to steal the energy we require. it may be prudent to allow the Supreme Kai and the other to come to us. It would be most unfortunate if their attacks to the ship were to revive Majin Buu before he's attained his ultimate power.
I see. Indeed. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa! Welcome.
Vegeta.
Yo!
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Vegeta.
This is the perfect location. Wouldn't you agree, Kakaroto?
I don't want to take damage and give Majin Buu more energy. So I'm going full force and ending this right away.
Very good. I'm quite eager to see just how hard you've been training in Otherworld. Impressive. You're even more powerful than Gohan was back then.
This might take longer than I thought.
I'm going to destroy you, Kakaroto! Believe it!
It's my turn now! I trained extra hard in Otherworld. I can't believe we're this evenly matched. You must have trained even harder than me.
Believe it! Lend me your energy! Don't overestimate me! Dang that little bastard! Say goodbye! Out of my face!
It's my turn now!
Say goodbye! Out of my face! Believe it! Don't underestimate me! Dang that little bastard!
It's my turn now!
Out of my face! Say goodbye! Out of my face! Big Bang! A huge blow to my ego. So I finally did what I had to do. I figured I could probably close the gap between me and you if I fell into control this world. And I wasn't wrong, though I can't say I'm proud of the method.
You shouldn't. You wanted to get stronger so badly that you resorted to letting that wizard control you?
Believe it! Don't overestimate me! Dang that little bastard! Say goodbye! Out of my face! All I wanted was to go back to the way I was before! Just to become a cold-hearted, ruthless Saiyan once more! And to fight without inhibitions and not be ruled by foolish emotions! I grew to hate myself before I realized that I'd become soft, like all of you! I, of all people, came to have a family, and it actually felt good. I'd also grown comfortable living here on Earth and all that it included. And that's why I needed to return to my villainous self. And now that I have, I feel absolutely wonderful.
Do you really?
Well, Dabura, are you confident you have what it takes to defeat that Earthling?
Of course. I will have no trouble at all exterminating that trash.
Huh? He's at full power!
No! Impossible! Where did all that energy come from?
That's right. Vegeta and my dad are both fighting at a level beyond Super Saiyan. The damage they're each taking must be massive.
He's coming out! Majin Boo's coming out!
Well, with him at full power now, then I might as well try to do what I can to stop him.
Oh, it's empty.
No! That's not right! It can't be empty! Come out, Majin Buu! Come out right now! Majin Buu!
Too bad, Babidi. Majin Buu met his end with that last attack. I'll hold Babidi at bay. Gohan, you take care of Dabura. Once we've done that, we'll have finally put an end to Babidi's evil plan.
I can feel an incredible ki. It's swelling up. It's...
Huh?
It's the smoke that came out of the ball earlier.
A cloud? No! It's the smoke from before.
What is that?
Wait, is that thing Majin Buu?
Yes, I could never forget that menacing face.
So it is Majin Buu, then!
That's Majin Buu?
Hi there, Majin Buu. I'm Babidi, the son of your creator, Babidi. You've been sealed in that ball for a very long time, but I've gotten you out. I am your new master. Hey! What are you doing? I'm your master! Don't you ignore me!
What a buffoon. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but it seems we have failed. After all that trouble, we have nothing but this powerless sack of fat to show for it. You want to challenge me, the great Dabura?
The dreaded demon of destruction, Majin Buu.
That was incredible! Very good, Majin Buu!
His ki. Majin Buu's ki just skyrocketed. It's huge. He's too powerful. I don't believe this.
This wasn't how things were supposed to go. I was confident we could defeat Babidi and prevent Majin Buu's revival. If only I had known from the beginning that you mortals could have achieved so much more power, far beyond that of my own. We could have made use of that method.
Huh? That method? What do you mean?
Majin Buu! Listen to me, Majin Buu! Are you really sure you want to ignore me? I've read my father's notes. I know how to seal you back in that ball. Yes, good. That's right. Listen, Majin Buu. Here is your first order. I want you to kill those two over there.
I don't know if I can win, but one thing's for sure. He can't be left alone. If he... This'll be a cinch. Starting to get hungry. It's now or never. I don't know if we can handle this guy.
Here I go!
is beyond the level of Super Saiyan. Is this guy invincible or something? Here I go! You're not working at all. He's unbelievable. Nothing's hurting him.
You and Boo's way! You go bye-bye! Hey, Trunks! Which one's the Majin?
Beats me, I don't know any of these guys.
Oh, and Majin Buu, feel free to finish the Supreme Kai off!
Boo, hungry! Boo, eat this guy!
Dabura, you're still alive!
Lord Babidi, this creature, Majin Buu, is not like the others. He will not serve you as your loyal servant. He must be eliminated immediately.
Boo gotta eat you!
You insolent little...
Turn into cookie!
Magnificent! Very good, Majin Buu!
Piccolo, what's going on?
The spell's broken.
What are you two doing here?
What about you guys? What are you doing here?
Well, we were statues until just now. But it looks like that creep who spit on us died, and everyone's back to normal. What is this unbelievable energy? No, it can't be. Is that Majin Buu?
Majin Buu, devour this fool as well.
Okay!
Vegeta, who was empowered by Babidi's spell and more determined than ever, remained locked in fierce combat with Goku. In the midst of the battle, the two Saiyans began to sense a massive energy that suddenly appeared in the distance. Realizing the energy must belong to Majin Buu, Goku pleaded with Vegeta to stop the fight so they could focus on defeating the new threat. Vegeta knew Goku would no longer be able to concentrate on their battle, so he agreed, or so it seemed. It was just a lie to make Goku lower his guard. With Goku distracted, Vegeta knocked him unconscious. He then made his way to Majin Buu's location, ready to fight the menace he helped bring back into existence.
Majin Buu's free because of me, so I'll be the one to get rid of him. I'll settle the score with you after that. That is, if I make it back alive. Right. Time to go meet this Majin Buu face to face.
Hello.